loves, welcome back to the channel. My name is Precious.
Hi guys, I'm sorry I'm starting this vlog in the most chaotic way possible. Let me hide this. Okay. Yeah, I'm just coming back from the market. I could not even vlog the market because I was carrying a whole lot of things and my hands were beginning to pain me, and I was like, no, I can't do this. So yeah, let me just quickly do like a haul of all I got. Not really much, but it's the weekend, it's Friday, and I'm thinking of making ofapo. What do you call that thing now? Banga stew. Ofapo, not the soup, stew. So I got this fish, this bangla fish. Sneak peek. Focus, 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 focus. So I got this bangla fish. I got two big sets for like 4K. They're actually very big and heavy. Guys, I'm using my iPhone 16 to film this cinematic mode. So I took the blur to 2.0 because I think I just want to like play around my phone to see how it is so that I would not get too used to my camera. So yeah, that's it. I got simply 400. I got these sweet oranges for 2,000. I got 12. No, sorry, 12 for 1,000. Yeah, 6 for 500. So I got 12 for 1,000. These things from the office, you had a training, and guys, I don't want to spoil my diet, so I'm going to give this to my girl. Throughout this week, she has been the one eating my food because I am on a diet and I'm serious. I think that's that for that. Then I got fruit as well. I got foreign tangerine and guava. Well, what is this called? I don't even know. Apple, another kind of apple. I got two of these and the foreign tangerine. I got this for 2K. Okay, I got yellow pepper and what? Yellow pepper and what's it called? Head of stockfish. Just those small one and opaco spice. My friend, when I went to Benin, I didn't capture that vlog, but when I went to Benin for work-ish, my friend and colleague introduced me to this. Oh, okay, let me hide. To this Maggie. In my widest imagination, would I ever have imagined? I would never have imagined that I would fall in love with Maggie cubes. I just see Maggie as a seasoning for Hausa people. I think it's my mind, like Maggie. But when I went to her house, she told me she cannot cook with any other Maggie, with any other seasoning than Maggie chicken. That if I want to try a new one, I should not buy Maggie Star. I should buy Maggie chicken. And I think I'm loving it though, because I love to mix seasoning. I could mix Maggi Star and no. Yeah, those two. But I think I have three different types of Maggi in my house. So I used to pair them. Do you understand? But of late, I'm beginning to like this Maggi. I love it like right now. So you guys, I bought apple. Remember that my auntie gave me apple in Ibadan. I bought some more local one and the normal one to mix with the one she gave me. So because, like I said, I'm fearing no falcon. Then finally, I got this for my baby. I don't know. He's using Sebamed cream, but I'm not feeling that cream. I don't know. Like he has used 3 containers of Sebamed, and it's not cheap. It's not. He has used the body milk. He has used the lotion. I don't know. I don't like. It's not giving me what I want. I don't want him bleached per se, but I don't know. Somebody told me to try this when I went to the market. The woman told me to try this, so I'll just give it a try. And then I got what's it called? Perfume for my girl. She told me her perfume is finished. So guys, that's it though. That's all I got. So I'm so hungry. I just want to prepare what's it called? Fried abacha and fish to eat now, like right now. I'm so hungry and tired, and I have back pain. Oh, I forgot to mention, guys. I have back pain. It's been going on like this for like a week now. I can't stand straight. If I stand, I can't even try it safe. I don't know if it's from work chair, but the chair is very comfortable, or from my bed, or from stress. I don't know. Please, if you know what I can do, please, because this thing, like, somebody told me to lie on the floor. I can't even imagine lying on the floor. I tried to lie on the floor. The way I jumped up, I can't even do it again. So, 0. Don't even tell me to lie on the floor. I'm not going to do that. So, yeah. Guys, I just finished having my bath. I'll show you something. What are we going to do to this front hair? What are we going to do to this front hair? Hey, God. Anyways, I just sent my girl now to help me go buy, what's it called? To help me buy relaxer. I will just do blowout because I'm going to be making my hair. I'll braid my hair tomorrow, and the girl is coming to make my hair at home. So because I want to braid my hair, my front hair. Oh God. I just want to blow it out. I'm thinking what to do to this hair. Anyways, that's it. I couldn't make the abacha again. I thought of taking it as dinner, so I won't have anything. I just ate once today, so I won't have anything to dinner time. I'll just have my fruits, the fruits I got from the market. Yeah, I think that's just what I'm going to do. And in the next like 30 minutes now, I want to go and make yogurt, drinking yogurt and parfait. Man, I'm like tired. Guys, pardon me, I'm actually trying out this video effect, this cinematic effect, and my hands are aching. Anyways, please, I want to sell this mic. This mic is called Holyland mic. If you know, you know. This is a mic. I'm going to do like a video and show you everything that's in this mic. I got this mic for 120,000. But why I'm selling it is because it doesn't suit my iPhone 16 again. You know that iPhone 16, the mouth is different from other iPhones. So this came with, I bought this when I was using my iPhone 13. So I went from 13 to 16. So it's not compatible again with my phone. So if you're interested, it's negotiable slightly, because if you want to, you can go and check how much they're selling it. And it's still as new as anything. So if you're interested, please let me know in the DM, or let me know in the comment section, really. So that's it. Today was our office potluck. I remembered, but why I didn't even participate was because, like I said, I have back pain and I was not ready to start staying in the office for long. I just went there to compliment them. Oh, guys, you guys are well done. But I just left because I was going to the market. I was going to come home. I was going to make yogurt. I was going to rest. I was going to do my hair. Like, my Friday is already very tight that even the 24 hours seem not to be okay. But yeah, we had our potluck and it was okay. See different kinds of native food, like, anyways, I'll just put like a clip here so you see what it is. This is what we currently look like. So I just finished washing the hair. I've dried it, just a bit damp, but the fan is on just so that it fastens the drying process. But yeah, this is what I look like, ready for tomorrow. I just wanted to just do a blowout, like I said. I didn't want it to be really relaxed, but now I don't know if it's even really relaxed. Anyways. Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 of my yearnings. Yeah, my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind, it runs. All these thoughts I'm troubling. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to.
I really need time.
Exact color that my friend. It's not really the exact color, man.
This one.
Yeah, this one too is still okay. Then which color is that? You can't tell me that this hair is not giving. Guys, can you see the illusion? It's so pretty. It's so pretty. The color, everything is giving 100 over 10 over 100. 100 is giving. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And it's not that much. Oh. It's not too scanty. It's not too full. Just exactly the way I want it. Hi guys. So it's the evening. This light. Why is it? Anyways. So I'm prepped to go out now. My husband went for a wedding and he's on his way back. And he just called me now and told me to put on something. Let's go and hang out. So I was like, okay, it is a good time. My hair is made. And yeah, I just came back from grocery shopping. I went to shop for the family and baby. And yeah, I'm back home and I'm heading out just right about now. He's the one calling me. So yeah, I'm going out now. I'm still going to, oh God, my perfume. Let me show you something. Don't laugh at me. My perfume collection is a mess. Like, what? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't know if there is a, what's it called now? If there is a rack for perfumes. Point me to the direction because what in the hell is this? Now, what? Okay, let me go with this one my auntie gave me. Remember this? Focus! Don't have the time. Remember this perfume? Let's go with it.
The next day.
What is this insane? More light required.
That means here is not bright.
Outfit of the day. Outfit check. Outfit check. Guys, so I am out to visit someone. Yeah, this my hair is giving. Seems like that get the baby hair. I'm in baby hair now.
You tried.
It's been crying out. So my friend, my colleague introduced me to one what's that thing again? Hair gel. Hair wax. And she said the way, like, it's going to be like this till anytime I'm ready to take it out. So yeah, rate me, rate this mama. My tailor is killing it. Like, she killed it. Happy Sundays anyways. Oh guys, this sunlight is giving. Anyways guys, I just finished cooking. The time is, I think, past 2 or so. I woke up very early this morning, went to the market, went to get something to prepare. I wanted to make soup. We don't have soup, we have stew, but we don't have soup. So I just went to the market and I made I made afang and yes, I'm coming. I made afang and egusi, which I just finished making, just now. And I just want to have the first thing. Say my lips are dry, God. I just want to have the first meal for the day. I finished having my bath and I'm having this for the day. Let me show you guys. I'm coming, I'll show you like right now. Sorry. So my Fit Farm family, now that I've made 2 pots of soup, hey, I'm tempted, but what I'm going to do is, of course, I love swallow. But anytime I just finish making my soups, I notice that particular soup, I might just eat it like twice and I'm done with it. So this afang, I'll eat it twice and I'm done. The egusi, I'll eat it twice and I'm done. So my husband and my girl can have it. I'll just look for something to eat. Usually I have maybe Indomie, one small one, or parfait. I usually have yogurt now in my house, like yogurt, like Greek yogurt in my house. So let me see, I'll just try. But I think I've shed a little bit of weight, not much, but a reasonable 2 kg. Stop that, guys. Excuse. My baby just threw his milk, his Kenda milk. Do you know how expensive this thing is? When I saw it, I was like, what am I going to do to this guy? Like, what am I going to do to this guy? And you are laughing. Do you think it's funny? No, do you think it's funny? Guys, let me just have something to eat. What was I even saying? It made me my weight loss bar. So yeah, let me see. Guys, there's a video I want to do on skincare. Skincare. It's only for the rich. Skincare is only for the rich. Now, skincare is gold. When I mean gold, I mean gold. Anyways, yeah. I just made this. Hey! See what I'm having. See what I'm having for breakfast and lunch.